2Samuel 8. And after this it came to be that David struck the Philistines and humbled them. And David took the bridle of the mother city out of the hand of the Philistines. He also struck Moab and measured them off with a line, causing them to lie down on the earth. With 2 lines he measured off those to be put to death, and with 1 complete line those to be kept alive. And the Moabites became David's servants and brought presents. David also struck Hadadezer, son of Rehob, sovereign of Soba, as he went to restore his rule of the river Euphrates. And David captured from him 1,700 horsemen and 20,000 foot soldiers. And David destroyed all the chariots, but he left of them 100 chariots. And the Arameans of Damascus came to help Hadadezer, sovereign of Soba. And David struck 22,000 of the Arameans. Then David put watchposts in Aram of Damascus, and the Arameans became David's servants and brought presents. And Jehovah saved David wherever he went. And David took the shields of gold which were on the servants of Hadadezer, and brought them to Jerusalem. And from Beta and from Berothai, cities of Hadadezer, sovereign David took very much bronze. And Toi, sovereign of Hamath, heard that David had stricken all the army of Hadadezer. And Toi sent Joram his son to sovereign David, to ask peace of him and bless him, because he had fought against Hadadezer and struck him. For Hadadezer had battles with Toi. And Joram brought with him objects of silver, and objects of gold, and objects of bronze. Sovereign David also set these apart to Jehovah, along with the silver and gold that he had set apart from all the nations which he had humbled, from Aram, and from Moab, and from the children of Ammon, and from the Philistines, and from Amalek, and from the spoil of Hadadezer, son of Rehob, sovereign of Soba. And David named a maid for himself when he returned from striking 18,000 Arameans in the valley of Salt. And he put watchposts in Edom. Throughout all Edom he put watchposts, and all the Edomites became David's servants. And Jehovah saved David wherever he went. And David reigned over all Israel. And David was doing right ruling and righteousness to all his people. And Joab, son of Saruiah, was over the army. And Jehoshaphat, son of Ahilud, was recorder. And Sadok, son of Ahitub, and Ahimelech, son of Abiathar, were the priests. And Sariah was the scribe. And Benaiah, son of Jehoiada, was over both the Kerethites and the Pelethites, and David's sons were priests.